If you wanted to see what's happening inside your AI runtime, mimOE Studio is your Agentix Native Workstation. Full operation control, one interface. mimOE Studio is an application that gives you access to models, nodes, agents, live metrics, traces, all within one interface to build, run, execute, operate, and scale your AI solutions. Let me show you how to get it installed and what you're working with when you open it. Okay, so the first thing we do is we go to Mimic Developer Portal and download mimOE Studio from there. Grab the installer for your machine, Mac OS or Windows, run directly on your desktop natively. So that's it. No account required, no external database to wire it up, nothing. So when it launches, you land on the main dashboard. mimOE Studio gives you visibility into entire runtime from that moment forward. So, okay, you can also see the MIMs. So MIMs are the microservices that run on top of mimOE. And over here, you've got the models downloaded. And the way to execute them is to download, load, and inspect them directly from the UI. And the token throughput, context utilization, routing config, it's all surfaced without you having to dig through the logs. Now, the chat interface here directly connects you to any model or deployed agent MIM. Streaming works, system prompts work, and the thinking block, rendering, entire thing works. You can have multiple sessions open at once. We can even send it a message. And okay, you can see everything works perfectly fine. Now, this is the dynamic discovery view. Every mimOE node visible on your local network, account, or proximity shows up here. You can open up a chat session directly with any of these nodes in the list. With this knowledge, agents will be able to collaborate during operations with each other. Also, if you need any further observability and debugging, the trace viewer gives you Gantt timelines, span trees, routing decisions, LLM content, and even API trace. So you don't need any Prometheus or Jaeger, none of that. It's all just here. The trace allows you to see the model. It sees the model execution, the agent operations instantly. So that's mimOE Studio. Install it, open it, and you've got the full visibility into your entire AI runtime from day one. Models, agents, nodes, traces, all in this Agentix Native Workstation. Everything you need to build, execute, operate, and scale your AI solutions. If you're into AI development and want to run models and agents all from one place, this is the fastest way how everything fits together before you even write a single line of code. Now, links to GitHub and docs are in the description. If you have any comments, please leave a comment down in the comment section. And if you feel that this video helped you save some time, please leave a like. Also, if you have any feedback, right over here, we have this link. You can click on this and send us your feedback. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.